So the first question, children, name some common ingredients used in different food items. So I have asked you that what are the very common ingredients that you had that is necessary for preparing common dishes. Okay. Yes, Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh, you can unmute yourself and give the answer of the first question.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
मैम हमारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हो जाएंगे मैम आटा, वाटर, वेजिटेबल सॉस और सॉल्ट, स्पाइसेस, pulses, ghee.
Yes. So these are the common ingredients that you need. You need water, you need oil, you need spices, and also you need rice or atta. Okay. So this is the answer of your first question. Okay. Next question is, why are plants called producers of food? Harshit, why are plants called producers of food? Harshit, unmute yourself, Harshit. Harshit, unmute yourself. Who can give the answer? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, who will give the answer? Why are plants called producers of food? Plants are called producers of food because they can prepare own food. Yes, they can make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, third question is, what are the sources of iodine and calcium? Phosphorus. Sources of iodine. Who is going to tell me the sources of iodine? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sneha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, of iodine.
Yes.
Ma'am, ginger, spinach, garlic, and fish.
And iodized salt. Hana? We know about iodized salt. The salt that we take every day that contains iodine. Okay, next, calcium. Sources of calcium. Madhvi.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Madhvi.
Ma'am, can I tell? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, milk and eggs.
Milk and egg. Okay, any other sources, Neha? Yes.
Ma'am, fish.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, fish, meat.
Okay. And phosphorus. Have you read about phosphorus?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It can be ma'am phosphorus, can be ma'am banana.
Yes.
Ma'am spinach, ma'am crab, ma'am milk, green
Yes,
chili,
yes.
ginger, etc.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, just wait. Everyone mute yourself. Yes, Pratiksha. Phosphorus. Sources of phosphorus.
nuts, beans, and ma'am beans and dairy product, meat, and it is etc.
Okay, and Ankita, tell me sources of sodium. Sources of sodium.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the sources of sodium that you take every day? One most important common source, your common salt, Hannah?
Yes.
Common salt is the sources of sodium. And any other?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, chicken also. Ma'am, it can be also the example of sodium.
Yes.
Ma'am, chicken will be also the example of sodium.
Yes. Yes.
Soup also.
Yes. So all of you have got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So you have to write down the sources. And next question is, why does organisms need food? Why do organisms need food? Other than those who have given the answer. Aradhya Gusain.
Ma'am, can I give?
Ma'am,
Aradhya Hussain,
organisms need food
Ma'am, can I?
because, ma'am,
bolo.
ma'am, organism need food to live.
So only this
Ma'am,
much.
can I?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
give the answer?
Anish,
Ma'am, can I give?
Anish
Ma'am,
Yadav. Others mute yourself, children. Anish
ma'am,
Yadav.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, organism need food for their growth, energy, healthy, protect us from diseases, survival, ma'am, repair our tissues, muscles, and development.
Yes, so we need food. Why we need food? We need food for our growth and development. That is the first one. Then for energy. That is, the carbohydrate gives us energy. It is an energy giving food. Yes, keep us healthy. That is fight against disease. Give us immunity. And also we can keep ourselves healthy.
Ma'am, for our
Yes.
survival, ma'am, food is
Yes, for
very
our survival,
essential for us.
will include all the
Ma'am,
functions
to
of all
can
the
I?
nutrients.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Amadvi.
All the
Yes, Madhvi.
nutrients, ma'am, and
Ma'am, we
dietary
get
fiber is
energy from
essential
the
for all living
exercise.
beings.
Yes. So this question is clear from to everyone. Are you able to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is
Yes,
give
ma'am.
some examples of milk product. You have to give some examples of milk product.
Ma'am, can I
Ashutosh.
give?
Ma'am,
Ashutosh.
can
Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, can
Ashutosh.
I?
Ashutosh. Don't speak. Only raise your hand. Ashutosh. Milk product. Very easy. Very easy question. Milk
Ma'am, can
products.
I?
Yes, Arya Pandey. Arya Pandey.
Curd,
Ma'am, some examples of milk products are ma'am cream, butter, ghee, etc.
Anything or
ma'am,
we have
curd also.
curd also and
Ma'am, butter
paneer
also.
also,
Yes,
cheese
ma'am.
also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, butter
paneer,
also. Ma'am,
curd,
paneer also. Ma'am, dahi also.
Yes. So these are the sources of
Ma'am,
milk
cheese
products.
also.
Yes. Next question.
yes, ma'am.
Next question. I'm going to next question. What will happen if you take excess of fat? Amit Singh. Excess of fat लेने से क्या
Ma'am,
होगा?
can I give?
No, Aradhya. Please don't ask. You're giving so many answers. No. Let everyone give the answer. Amit. What will happen
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
take excess of food? Excess of fat. Sorry.
Ma'am, can I?
What is the meaning of excess of fat?
एक्सेस मतलब ज्यादा, अगर
Ma'am,
ज्यादा
too
फैट
much.
फैट कंज्यूम करेंगे तो क्या होगा?
Ma'am,
वी
too
नो
much
ऑलरेडी.
food of fat.
यस, अनिश
Ma'am,
यादव.
yes,
अनिश यादव.
Ma'am, the person will suffer from obesity.
The person will suffer from a disease called obesity. And what will happen in
ma'am,
this disease? What happens?
obesity.
The excess of fat will get deposited below our skin, and we will just get.
Ma'am, we will,
Called
ma'am, be
ma'am
fat
fat.
and fat, ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
sometimes
lost
Ma'am,
it
the
can
excess
be
of
hard
fat
to
is
energy
called
breathe
fat.
also.
also.
Yes,
Ma'am,
and
sometimes
sometimes
it can be
also.
hard to breathe also.
Yes, and sometimes also it leads to some heart disease due to obesity. So we should be careful
Yes, ma'am.
while taking such excess
Obesity.
Ma'am, we
of
have
fat.
to take a proper
Ma'am, we
balanced
have to.
diet.
Proper and balanced diet according to our age and according to our activity. If we do too
Ma'am,
much of
it's
activity,
called fat.
if we take too
Ma'am,
much
it's
of
called fat.
activity, we will just to take energy giving food or in lot, that is carbohydrate more. And if you don't do any energy, that is exercise, we are just doing your mental work, you will take a balanced diet that will having carbohydrate small amount, then protein and very small amount of fat, and along with lots and lots
Ma'am,
of fruits and vegetables. Okay, that is
ma'am,
very
but
very
a large
important.
amount of refrigerant water.
Yes, fruits and vegetables. I'm telling you, what does it contain? It contains
Ma'am,
roughage, and
water.
also it contains water.
Water.
And
Yes,
along
ma'am,
with that, we
juicy
should drink.
apples, ma'am, and ma'am, etc. Fruits are, ma'am, too carry too much
Yes,
water.
we should also drink at least 8 glasses of water. One glass is equals to 200 to 250 ml. So we should
Yes,
also
ma'am.
drink enough amount of
Drink
water.
the water.
Okay. Yes. Next question. So I think it's clear to everyone. You can give the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
give some examples. Give some examples of plant sources of fat. Only raise your
Ma'am, can I
hands.
tell?
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, nuts, olive oils, and
You know
uh,
mustard oil. We take mustard oil, so mustard is a source of oil.
Ma'am,
Yes,
coconut
Malvi.
oil.
soybean oil, ma'am, mustard
Ma'am,
oil,
mustard oil. Ma'am,
ma'am,
mustard
groundnuts,
oil.
ma'am, these are the examples of ma'am fat.
Yes, yes. Now stop. Yes, Madhvi. Madhvi.
Ma'am, chana and ma'am dal. Ma'am, this is a fat
Ma'am,
of.
soybean oil, ma'am, sunflower oil, ma'am, mustard oil, ma'am,
Ma'am, fish.
olive oil, and ma'am,
Ma'am, coconut
Ma'am,
oil.
fish oil.
Ma'am,
Okay.
groundnuts, etc.
Okay, very good. Next, children, be precise. Children, be precise. I'm just recording. I cannot record for an hour. Okay, I will be taking a short recording, है ना? So next question is that why sunlight is important for children? Ankita Tiwari,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo. Why sunlight is important for children? Yes, Sneha Kumari.
Ma'am, because it gives us
Ma'am, it
sunlight.
gives sunlight gives
Ma'am,
us
because
vitamin
it's
D to
vitamin
Ma'am,
D.
combat all.
vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin K.
Due to sunlight, we can synthesize vitamin in our body. The children, vitamin D is synthesized in the body of the children. That is why
Yes, ma'am.
children should be
Vitamin
exposed
D
to
causes
sunlight.
sunlight.
Yes. Yes. Next, it is why do we need protein? What is the function or what is the function? Hetal Nayak. Hetal, instead of wasting time, Hetal, on your fingers or you're just drawing something on your fingers,
Ma'am, Hetal Nayak left.
just concentrate on what we are discussing, Hetal. So next question is that why do we need protein? Why is protein so important? Yes, Aradhya Singh.
Ma'am, protein, ma'am, is also called bodybuilding food. Ma'am, like, ma'am, meat, eggs, ma'am, these are also important for us. Ma'am, they makes our body healthy. And ma'am, fish, if we eat fish, ma'am, our eyes will be, ma'am, have a proper light, ma'am, in our eyes. And ma'am, the harmful rays of computer or mobile, ma'am, it will be safe for us. Ma'am, ma'am, protein is also so helpful for our body.
So in overall, what is protein? Protein, it is that a body building food, and
Yes,
what happens is helps us to build up the body by repeated cell division, and also it helps us to repair
It helps
our
in
body
repairing
parts.
our damaged parts also.
Yes, it helps to heal the damaged parts.
ma'am,
Okay.
all pulses carry, ma'am, are carrying,
Yes.
ma'am,
So
protein.
so pulses are the rich sources of protein. All pulses are the
Yes,
rich
ma'am.
sources of protein. Okay. So next question, 10th one. Why water is important for us? Why do we need water? Other than those who have given answer, I am asking others children. I cannot see you. I'm just stopping my presentation. Aradhya Misra. No, sorry.
Ma'am,
Aradhi, Aradhy. Who is what is the
Ma'am,
pronunciation?
ma'am, your presentation is gone.
Yes, you are having the question. No, I'm just want to see how many children are there in the class.
yes, ma'am.
Ankit Kumar, am I audible? Ankit Kumar, children, am I audible? All of you, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
clearly
Yes, ma'am.
audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you
Okay,
are
Pratiksha.
audible.
Yes,
Pratik,
ma'am. You are audible.
Pratiksha, give me the answer. Pratiksha, why do we need water? Yes,
Ma'am, it is
Harshit.
too much people.
Harshit,
Ma'am, because it helps our body to hydrated.
it
Keep our
helps our
body
body to
hydrated.
keep our body hydrated. Hydrated means it is adding. So why we should keep our body's hydration? Because this water helps in digestion. Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
What?
ma'am, roughage and dietary fiber,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
water
water is
helps to our
example
body
of
to
ma'am
absorb
roughage.
nutrition from our food.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes, it also helps
Ma'am,
in absorption
water
of the.
helps in our body to get rid of undigested foods
So
also.
it helps in
ma'am,
digestion. It
get
helps.
rid
Just
ma'am
wait. Just wait.
undigested food.
Yeah. So it helps in digestion. First one, it helps in absorbing of the food, digested food, and also it helps in the elimination of the waste from our body. Okay. So water is very important, and without water there will be dehydration. That, as Harshit is telling, yes, it keeps us body hydrated, which is very important for us to live. Okay.
Ma'am, in summer season, ma'am, mostly, ma'am, water is
Ma'am, it
important for us.
also helps to throwing out the waste from wastage from
मैम इसीलिए
living.
मैम
Yes.
अर्थ सबसे यूनिक प्लैनेट है मैम क्योंकि उसी पर पानी मिलता है.
Yes. So that is why when you are just
Ma'am,
exploring
%of water.
outside in the space, we are just searching for water in that planet. If there is water, then there will be chances of survival. Okay. So that is why Mars, sometimes The scientists have landed and they have some evidence that earlier there was water over there. So they are thinking that
जुपिटर के एक मून में मैम पानी का मिला है मैम उसमें एक वाटरफॉल टाइप का हुआ था मैम पानी में
yes.
मैम
Mostly
जुपिटर
you
का
know
एक
the
मून में
planets of the outer ring, that is asteroids belts के बाहर जो planets है ना, they are having their gaseous, they are made up of dense gases, they are not solid like our Earth or Mars. Okay, so their ice, the water get in form of ice, then they revolve around that planet. Okay, so yes sir, just wait children, 1 minute. Yes sir, thank you. I just ate कब है सर? 8 सर क्या करें, रिवीजन करवाएंगे? Okay, am I audible children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will happen then? Water is very, so these are the reasons. First one, it keeps us body hydrated. Second one, it helps in digestion. Third one, it helps in absorption. And fourth one, helps in elimination of the waste. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, why water is important? Okay, next one, 11, why do we need balanced diet? That is Arya Pandey. We have done so many times. Arya, give me the answer. Why do we need balanced diet? Ashutosh, are you able to give?
मैम कैन आई गिव द आंसर
Just wait. Ashutosh.
Ma'am, balanced diet.
Yes, Arya.
The diet. मैम बैलेंस डाइट मैम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि कि मैम हमारा मैम हम लोग मोटे ना हो.
So just wait, Arya. We have discussed so many times, and now in this situation, you are going to give me a proper definition in English, Hannah. We have done this chapter so many times, so many times. So yes,
reason ma'am there is the answer.
yes, Abhay.
Balanced diet contain all the nutrients and minerals at a perfect amount.
Okay. Yes, Madhvi, give the proper definition, Madhvi.
Ma'am, can I give?
we need balanced diet to remain healthy and to fight against diseases.
Okay, yes, Aradhya. What is your
Ma'am,
definition?
balanced diet is a diet, ma'am, that contains all types of nutrients in the correct proportion according to their age in individual, along with enough amount of roughage and water, known as balanced diet.
Okay, is it clear?
According to age and labor also.
Yes. In the book that was not there, and I told you that you should add that. Okay, according to age and according to their energy requirement. Okay, so
Yes,
that will be
ma'am.
the perfect definition. Next question. All of you are having, name some unstitched clothes. Harshit.
Sari, dhoti, ma'am dupatta,
Yes,
and
sari,
ma'am
dhoti,
salwa.
dupatta, and
Ma'am salwa. Ma'am
okay, and
ma'am
sometimes
muffler.
yes, gamcha bhi you use, so that is also an unstitched cloth. So I'm not repeating. Next question is that what is yarn made up of?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am fabric.
Ankita Tiwari.
Ma'am cotton fabric.
Ma'am, it's super cheesy.
Yes, Abhay, what is yarn made up of?
Ma'am, cotton fabric.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am can I tell?
Just wait.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes, Abhay. Okay, Arsh Kumar Upadhyay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Cotton rolls.
Bolo,
Ma'am,
what is yarn made up of?
spinning, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes,
When this process of spinning, it makes yarn.
Yes. Yes, yarn is made up of fiber. Yarns are made up of fiber.
Fibers.
Only fiber. You don't have to mention.
Ma'am, fiber.
Yes, you don't have to mention Vedic.
Filaments also.
Just listen to me. You must mute yourself first. Everyone mute. I have given the question that what is yarn made up of. Every fiber that we are just obtaining, they will be that it's spinned into yarn. So what is the unit of yarn? That is ultimately made up of fibers. It may be cotton fiber से cotton yarn होगा, silk fiber से silk yarn होगा, jute fiber से jute yarn होगा, hemp fiber से hemp yarn होगा. So the question is fiber is the main, that is yarn is made up of fibers. You can give example that cotton fiber is made into yarn, or yarn, that cotton yarn contains cotton fiber, hemp yarn contains hemp fiber, like that. That is an example. But the question answer will be that yarns are made up of fibers. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yarn
Yes,
made
yes,
up
ma'am.
of fiber, and ma'am, fabric made up of yarn.
That you don't have to, I have not asked that in the question. Yes, that you are right. Next is why synthetic fiber is gaining more popularity nowadays. Why synthetic fiber is gaining more
Ma'am,
popularity
because it
nowadays?
made up of artificially and chemical substance.
So what? So what are the, yes
Ma'am,
Harshit?
because it's not a natural fiber.
It's not a natural fiber, artificial fiber. So
Ma'am,
why
it's a
Ma'am,
chemical
chemical.
substance.
Ma'am,
just,
because it's there's much superior properties as com-
so what
compared
are,
to natural
okay,
fibers.
so what are such properties? I want to know some of those properties because this is a question from your workbook. I have
Ma'am,
remembered.
nylon,
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, nylon, acrylic,
ma'am,
ma'am,
nylon
rayon,
and
Ma'am,
ma'am,
nylon,
Okay,
Polyester
polyester,
and
acrylic,
acrylic, nylon.
okay, just to remember, just stop. Keep quiet. Let me say. Yes, Madhvi, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, the sources of synthetic fibers are ma'am nylon, polyester, acrylic, rayon, etc.
Okay, now all of you mute. That I have not asked in the question. I have asked that why these synthetic fibers are so many of use nowadays compared to natural fiber, because they are cheap. Cheap मतलब दम उसका काम कम है, मतलब that cost very less. They are cheap, they are durable. Write down somewhere on the book or the copy so that you can write down the answer. They are durable, they are cheap, and also they can be given any color. They are cheap, they are durable,
Ma'am,
they can be
nowadays, ma'am, in
given,
every season, ma'am, huge amount of people, ma'am, wear only synthetic
and they
fibers
can be, yes,
clothes.
they can be given any color. Okay,